The LG V20 user and today in the video about the LG Stylo 6 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Stylo 6 is now at Verizon. It's available in postpaid and prepaid at Verizon, so that's really cool. So the Stylus 6 is available for $240 for retail price, so not too bad. So pretty decent price there. But this is a very well spec mid-range phone. This is a great looking phone, so great specs for it as well. It's available on 64 GB of storage, and the color is holographic white, so it does look really nice. So yeah. So there's a Stylus 6 right there. You guys have the notch for front-facing camera there. Power button will be on the right side of the phone. Name key is really on the left side. Also, you have a gear assistant key on the left side of the phone as well. So there you go. There's a back of the phone. You do have 3 cameras on the rear, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, Verizon logo, and the LG logo there. Like I said, this is a holographic white color, but this logo is a whole different color. It looks like it's like blue and stuff like that. So pretty nice there. The left side of the phone, like I said, is a RAM cage, a video system key, and a micro SD and SIM card slide will be on the left side as well. The right side of the phone has a power button, so yeah. And it should take it back to the front. And you do have the Stylus Pen, of course. It's Stylo, so the Stylus Pen will be there, of course. So really nice there. And 27.7 days of standby time, 44.6 average of usage time. Triple rear cameras in the back. You have 13 megapixel main, 5 megapixel super wide angle, a 5 megapixel depth sensor on the rear. So pretty nice. I think it's a 13 megapixel front camera as well, I think so. So pretty cool right there. The dimensions are 3.6 inches width and 6.74 inches height. So not too bad there. So it expresses itself with the LG Stylo 6. The smartphone has all the tools to experience, create and share content seamlessly. The 6.8-inch Full HD plus 4-button display delivers true color for an immersive viewing experience. Step up your creativity with the built-in Stylus Pen, designed for precision, for jotting down notes and drawing images. Capture each moment with 3 red lenses, optimal so small details and wide, expansive views. Unlock your creativity with the LG Stylo 6 and Verizon, the nation's most awarded network. So, yeah. An immersive visual experience. The 6.8-inch Full HD Plus Full Vision display is totally captivating, creating a better entertainment experience for viewing videos, games, and apps. Full HD Plus resolution provides brilliant visuals with crisp picture quality with the no standard vibrating and tempered glass display. You will know your phone is engineered for durability, so it does have the ruggedness on there, so it does have mid-spec 810G on there, so pretty awesome right there. Alright, so it says unleash creativity with the Stylus Pen. Party personal spin on times by adding a handwritten note or custom doodle with the built-in spine-loaded Stylus Pen. Write, edit, sketch, and jot down notes while on the go. Designed for precision and accuracy, the Stylus Pen helps bring your ideas to life. Capture every moment. Capture the most important moments with the 13 megapixel sharp focus rear camera, the triple rear Camera system is equipped with a 120-degree super wide angle lens for expensive landscapes and a 5-megapixel depth camera that snaps large portraits, keeping what matters in focus. Software levels will enjoy the 13-megapixel front camera for instant-worthy pics in any light. So that's really nice right there. All your ideas in one place, whether saving photos, videos, games, and whether saving photos, videos, games, or sketches. There is plenty of room for everything that inspires you. With 64 gigabytes of internal storage and up to 2 terabytes of internal micro SD storage, there's tons of space to house all your big ideas. And with the long lasting 4,000 mAh battery, you can and with the long lasting 4,000 mAh battery, you can create work and play without interruption. Check up the sounds. A dual speaker system surrounds you with balanced sound. The DTSX virtual surround sound with stereo speakers delivers a one-of-a-kind audio experience. Watch movies or listen to music fully immersed in 3D sound from all directions. That's really nice. So you will have DTSX 3D surround sound on this one, so pretty cool. Specs on this phone, like I said, they are really good. You will get 4G on this, no 5G on this phone, of course. You do get Wi-Fi 8 to 11, APGN, and AC. You'll also have a Google Assistant key on the phone. You do have HD voice, which lets you experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. It's also a world device, so you can use it in over 200 countries depending on what plan you have. It's LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. 27.7 days of standby time, 44.6 hours of usage time. You do have 3 cameras on the back at 13 megapixel main and 5 megapixels wide angle and a 5 megapixel depth camera on the rear and a 13 megapixel front facing camera. Your dimensions are the width is 3.6 inches wide, and the weight of the phone is 7.76 ounces. The height of the Stylus 6 is 6.74 inches. The depth is 0.34 inches. The screen size is 6.8 inches at Full HD Plus. That is a 2460 by 1080 pixel resolution. It's a full vision notch display, 395 ppi, and the aspect ratio is 20.5 by 9, right? 4,000 mAh battery, Android 10, 3 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, and you'll get about 45 GB available to use. So that's pretty good. Micro SD support up to 2 terabyte. Networks are there, 4G networks. Brand processor is a MediaTek Helio P35MT6765 octa-core processor. So this is a MediaTek processor, so to keep it in mind. If you guys need help with your LG Stylo 6, Verizon has you covered for that with device support, so that's a great tool to have. So it says here, Verizon wireless support helps you better understand the Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So device support is a great tool to have. So what comes in the box is the LG Stylo 6, pre-installed SIM card, 4,000 mAh battery, travel adapter and USB cable, quick reference card, product safety and warranty brochure, and SIM ejection pen. Alright. So there you guys have the LG Stylo 6. It is not her Verizon Prepaid. This is a great looking phone, great specs. So if you guys are looking to get a Stylus if you're looking to get a phone with the Stylus on the cheap, the Stylus 6 is worth taking a look at. This is a great phone, great specs, nice looking phone. It's very cheap at the phone's cheap at $240, so that's not too bad for price. That's not too bad, so it's pretty decent price. But you are getting great specs for that price, so $240 is not a bad price to be asking for it. So yeah, do you guys have the LG Stylo 6? Is now here at Verizon Prepaid for $240. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's me out, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.